everyone, I am Shrinivas. The topic is Voidable and illegal agreements. So the subject is legal aspects of business. Indian Act, Contract Act 1872. This topic falls under business law and is governed by the Indian Contract Act 1872. The Act lays down the legal rules for creating valid contracts and explains situations where agreements fail to become enforceable. So the topic area is voidable and illegal agreements. This topic explains three important types of defective agreements. Void agreements which have no legal effect, voidable agreements which can be cancelled by one party, and illegal agreements which are strictly prohibited by law. So the importance is helps in understanding enforceability of agreements. It helps students and professionals determine whether an agreement is legally enforceable, can be rejected by an affected party, or is completely unlawful and punishable. Thank you.
Under contract law, this explains what an agreement is and when it becomes a contract under Indian contract law. According to Section 2E of the Indian Contract Act, an agreement means every promises or set of promises made by two or more parties where each parties give something in return. This something is written is called as a consideration like money, services or goods. Agreement versus contract. Every contract is an agreement, but not every agreement is contract. An agreement became a contract only when it is legally enforceable. That means the law should recognize it and court should be able to enforce it. Agreement without legal validity. Some agreements are not legally valid, so they are not contract. They are classified into three types: voidable, and illegal agreements. Void agreements has no legal effects, not enforceable by law from the beginning. A voidable agreement valid at first, but one party has the options to cancel it. Usually happens due to fraud and misrepresentations. Illegal agreement against law or public policies, always void and punishable. Hello everyone, I am Sagar P S. I would like to explain about concept.
That's it. Thank you. Hello everyone. My topic is void agreement. Void agreement is defined under Section 2G of the Indian Contract Act. The Indian Contract Act legally defines a void agreement under Section 2G. According to the law, a void agreement is one that cannot be enforced by law. And a void agreement is not enforceable by law from the very beginning. This means the agreement is invalid from the time it is made. Even if both parties agree, the law does not recognize it, and it has no legal effect and creates no rights or obligations. Neither party gets any legal rights, neither party has any legal duties to perform under the agreement. There are some key characteristics are there, that is invalid ab initio, from the start. Ab initio means from the beginning. The agreement was never valid, not even for a short time, and cannot be enforced by neither party. No party can go to court perform to force performance of the agreement, and the court will treat it as if no agreement exists. And there are some examples also there, that is agreement with a minor. A minor is not legally competent to there into a contract, and any agreement with a minor is automatically void. And second one is agreement to perform as impossible act. If the task agreed upon cannot be done, for example, flying without a machine, the agreement is void because the law does not support possible act. And the third one is agreement without lawful consideration. Consideration means something of value exchanged. If there is no lawful consideration, the agreement has no legal.
Let's now start with voidable agreement. A voidable agreement is one that starts off as valid and enforceable but can be rejected or cancelled by one party, usually the one who was wronged or pressured during its formation. It is defined under Section 2, Clause 1 of the Indian Contract Act 1872. The key feature of it remains legally binding unless and until the aggrieved party chooses to void it. The affected party has the option to withdraw from the contract, making it void from that point onward. Now, what makes an agreement voidable? The factors are: first, use of force or threats to compel agreement; second, exploiting a position of power to manipulate someone's decision; third, intentional deception to gain unfair advantage; and fourth is false statements made innocently but still lead to misunderstanding. Let's now look into an example scenario. Imagine someone signs a contract under pressure or deception and then says they are misled about the terms or threatened into signing. That contract is voidable at their discretion.
I'm Sinchana. Now I'm going to explain the topic illegal agreement, which is an important part of voidable, and illegal agreement under the Indian Contract Act. An illegal agreement is an agreement in which the object of purpose is of against the law. In simple words, if two or more people agree to do something that is not allowed by law, such agreement is called an illegal agreement. Illegal agreements are always void from the beginning. This means they have no legal value, and court will not enforce such agreement under any conditions. What makes illegal agreement more serious than other agreement is that even the related or supported agreements known as collateral agreement are also considered invalid. So some example like an agreement to commit a crime like theft or cheating is an illegal agreement. An agreement for illegal trade such as selling banned goods is also illegal agreement. In all these cases, the law does not support the agreement and may also punish the parties involved. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Hello sir. My name is Samirius. I am from third sem MBA. So my topic is comparative analysis subject course on legal aspects of business. So comparative analysis is a method used to analyze and evaluate the work going on in business in an organization. So to make informal decisions and by comparing two or more items, it helps to identify businesses operations legally and the work allotted for the employees, and to evaluate the data provided to work for the employees as in data operational, and it has to operate the small businesses like evaluation, computations, analysis, visualization, and etc. So analyzing competition, pricing, and effective feedback can reveal management. So all financial assets and all financial materials managed by the employees in an organization will be in the total like daily transaction. It is known as a tally based or any other SAP documents. And also in financial analysis, comparing current past balance sheets and showing trends in revenue and expenses, like benchmarking segments, and help assess if profit margins or operational cost meet market standards. So defines clearly objectives for what you want to compare, and such as serves our financial metrics. So gathering data from internal records and marketing research and competitor reports to support your analysis. So these are the, like, we can identify the criteria for comparison, focusing on factors like cost, quality, customs, and satisfaction. And last, we can say we can analyze the collective data to highlight strengths, weaknesses, and areas for improvements. Thank you.